list. In this case, I'm putting in the two territories I want, 258 and 625. Execute. Execute again. It will then bring up this customer list in a format that is not usable within Fleetmatics. We need to reformat it. Click on List, F7, Spreadsheets, Table, Microsoft Excel, at which point it will bring up an Excel file that we can modify and use after we clean it up to import into Fleetmatics. We want to save this file out with an extension of CSV in a location where we will remember where it's at. I have a demo file set up and I've already saved it into that, so I'm going to cancel out of that. Once we've saved that file, we want to open it and we want to format it in the following manner. This row number 1, the names here are critical, as well as the data below, for this to flow correctly into Fleetmatics. Column A needs to be name, column B street, column C city, D state, E zip, F is latitude, G is longitude, H is type, I is size, J is unique ID, K is contact, and L is phone. You'll notice that latitude and longitude are left blank. Size, I have put the route indicator in the size column. Contact and phone I have left blank. Unique ID, I've used the customer SAP number. And then for type, I have put client. You could put warehouse, you could put any indicator there that you would like to designate what type of point of interest that it will represent on the map. Once you've done that, you've cleaned it up into this format. Again, make sure you save it out as a CSV file. You are then ready to upload it into Fleetmatics. In Fleetmatics, if you click on the Admin tab in the upper right hand corner, the lower left corner says POIs, upload POIs. We want to batch upload POIs. We want to choose the file. There's the file that we've just modified and saved as the CSV file. Open, upload. At this point, the data that you see on this demo will be different from the data you see in your real life experience. I've already uploaded the POIs into Fleetmatics some time ago, so it's given me errors everywhere saying that this data already exists. It did check the data, it came up 100% correct, and it tried to insert 100% of the data, but 100% failed. What you folks should be looking for is all green here and some verbiage that would say successful. Anything other than 100% in these two areas here would indicate that you have a problem with one of the data sets in the columns on the Excel sheet. That could be, in my case, the first time I tried to upload, I had a zip code that had an extra digit on it. So it'll give you the line number that is in question. You go back to your Excel data, change that line, and then go through the process again. Again, you're looking for 100% and all green. Once you've done that, hit review and activate POIs, and close. To check your data to make sure that it is in Fleetmatics, if you go into Live Fleet, pick one of the routes that you just specified. In this case, I'm going to pick 625. And what we should see is a bunch of little people figures. And those people figures represent our clients or our point of interest. We have Ion Interactive, Sim and Market Research. So it gives the address, it gives the customer ID. Find this very useful to know where your driver is at, more specifically than just seeing some location on a map.